Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Tuesdays in the Attic. We have another Freaky Fast formula still from 2017. This time we need a 9x9. I'm using my by the way, I'm using my How to Kill a Kit with Style from August. Yes, I realize it's now September that you are finally seeing this. This one's a week late, and the one I posted earlier was 2 weeks late. C'est la vie. That's all I have to say. We're getting there. Life gets chaotic when school picks up, let me tell you. I've got some adorable photos of my niece on her first day of preschool. My sister sent me, so I told her to send me all the outtakes. We're going to do a 2-page spread. This is the first kit from Mercy Tiara. I'm still working through it. They're actually quite big kits, so you get a lot. I have these fussy cut florals. I might fussy cut more. We'll see what ends up happening. I kind of picked out a couple butterflies, all the pink flowers, this yellow sprig, this take a photo. But we've got a 9x9, so I cut it out of this wood grain paper, which is the beautiful yellow on the back. I'm using these two papers as my background. We've got a 1x4 that I did opposite side of this, but I wanted to keep it in the color scheme, so I did it in that. 3.5x10. That's this. I just did some plain craft cardstock because the background is so colorful. I wanted to keep my pieces more plain or single color. And then we got a 1/2x7 and a 1/2x8, and then this is a 5x6. So those are all the pieces. So I figured this would be a great opportunity to try and use up some paper and do a 2-page spread. And I'm thinking something along the lines of this. And then like putting the photos, adding some photos on here and doing something. I haven't quite figured out how I want to do the photos. So I got to cut apart all my photos. I'm going to tape my background together just because it's easier since I'm doing this whole spanning thing, is at least what I'm thinking I'm doing. And yeah, I think I know what I want to do with this block now that I have it. But do I want to overlap this a little bit? Maybe. We'll see. I'm still working it out. But these are all the pieces we're going to come together. So let me trim my photos. Let me tape this together, and then we will start this process. I taped it together. I glued my papers down, glued my photos down. I've already cut it apart, and I started playing. So I'm sorry it was not on film yet. But I stacked 2 of the photos and then just did a line of the other 2. I'm really liking how this is turning out. I grabbed these pink fresh alphas that I had because I knew that this orangey color and this brown color kind of went with the colors in here. And so this is what my niece said on her first day of preschool. Says, "Mom, I'm going to be brave." And so I thought that would be a great title. I grabbed a few things from Elle Studio out, and I'm going to use that tag and the heart and maybe, I don't think another red, because it's like a pinky red, so that's why I thought it would work. We've got these we can play with yet, but I'm liking the placement of what I have so far, and so we're going to start gluing things down, like the major things. Like this tag. I tried to get that nice and centered. I don't know if I will put twine in this tag yet. And actually, I think I'm going to have it go that way. But I've got these acrylic pieces from Elle Studio as well that I can use. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to put twine in that yet. This is the thin piece, remember? So I cut a banner end on it. I thought that would work real well. Use a couple of the butterflies, trying to use as much of the kit as possible. It's such, like I said, it's such a big kit. I need to get it used up. I cut those 3 flowers apart. But I like having these floral clusters kind of anchoring the photos and creating some embellishment areas for me. All right, we gotta get these strips down. Let's add some of those. I don't know if I want to add frames, except for maybe this one. This might be kind of cute. I want to see what kind of stickers we can throw in here. And to get some silver over here. We'll just skip the acrylic for today. Okay, super cute. Still looking real good. Do we need any more words? Exciting. Wonderful. And we'll do remember. And happy right there. I think that's it. The picture tells you what it's about, so, and this is my lovely title. I think that's great. There you go, guys. Nice 2-page spread from our Freaky Fast formula. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out Jen linked, and check out the scrap room for more Freaky Fast formulas in the future. And I will have a link to Mercy Tiara kits, because this is my How to Kill a kit. So yeah, I'll have that link down below as well. Thank you again. We'll see you next time.